In this video, let's talk about which wheel spacers are safe.
Using BMW X3 wheel spacers is safe and good. Just make sure you buy quality spacers that are hub-centric and have them installed correctly. As long as each lug bolt is tightened to the correct torque specification, there won't be any potential failure point. Wheel spacers contribute an incremental improvement in handling and stability because the track width is increased by pushing the wheels further out. They are no different than a set of offset wheels. You can run BMW X3 wheel spacers on a race or street car without any problems. In addition, spacers include the inner wheel clearance, so that rider tires can be safely mounted. This makes your BMW X3 look really good. Correct installation of the BMW X3 wheel spacers is a top priority to ensure driver safety. When it comes to safe wheel spacers, precision can be interpreted as quality. It is one of the keys to success in the production of BMW X3 wheel spacers. In short, the higher the precision, the better the surface quality, and the better the spacers can fit on the vehicle hub. There is less chance of vibration or rubble. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The forging process makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and stronger. The machining accuracy of BONOSS wheel spacers reaches a tolerance of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared toward improving performance and aesthetics. Besides, BONOSS FT-cooling BMW X3 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of BMW X3 wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.